Hey everybody, I thought I'd let you know how I installed my ProComp SS-6 6-way touchscreen for lights and accessories. I decided to, since it's already got a locker, to put some lights on the Trailhawk. I'm going to go with some of the Mohawk off-road fab grill mounts. I don't quite have those yet, but I wanted to get the controller in. And it's a really cool system. I got it at autoanything.com. It's got really easy instructions, but it actually fits in the Trailhawk pretty well. So here's the control module. It fits right above, and this is a 2018. It fits right above the fender here pretty tightly, and I really don't like drilling into my vehicles unless I really have to. So it's actually in between this brace on the right and this brace on the left. It's pretty snug already, and I just threw the mounting holes, zip tied it in those two spots, and then the wiring harness, which is a really nice, pretty wiring harness to begin with, runs right underneath. And here's the connector that you'll actually connect the lights to. But here's the ground that comes off it, hits right on this ground. The power cable snakes around the front of the battery, around the wiper fluid. I just again got it zip tied in a few spots, and then into the positive battery. From a fuse perspective, I used a fuse tap and went into the rear DC power outlet in the cargo area. It's an accessory, turns on with accessory, so it's not running all the time, but I just tapped right into that. Ran the wire out through the fuse box. I'll get that on later. So from a wiring perspective inside, it's really nice and clean. When I get the lights in, I might use a bus bar for the grounds just to make that clean too. But you can see this kind of fits right in there. There's no clearance problems with the hood hinge. I checked that, and then I route the cable. It runs a Cat 5 cable in through the grommet underneath. Let's see. You can see it if you turn the tire all the way to the driver's side. The grommet that goes into the cab is right up there. I pushed it out from the inside really easily, and it got caught on top of the skid plates. So that was a pain in the butt to get retrieved. Right now I don't have anything else in there. I'm going to run to the hardware store and see if I can find another grommet of like size, so I don't have to cut into the one that popped out. And also see if I got something that fits a little bit better in the cab. I don't have it mounted anywhere yet. I plan on using some 3M Command double-sided tape and getting it in this general area. But it definitely works when you turn on accessory. Let me get the controller out here. Oops. And it's a touch screen, which I find interesting. But if you turn on accessory, you see it kind of glows red. If you tap one, whoop, goes blue. Turn on. And it's got little stickers. So you can, and again it shuts off, so no battery drain. But it's got a bunch of stickers that you can use for the different lights that you get. So I really want some rear lights for when I'm hooking up my trailer and stuff at night, and I'm going to have some front lights, and I do have a GMRS radio inside that I got plugged into the DC power in the console, which works, but I may end up wiring that up this way as well, just so I can turn it on and off on demand. Anyway, ProComp system so far so good. I might do a follow-up video when I actually get some lights in. Thanks.